cool. Popcorn.
Gets a little wedgie in the thing. Knock on the door. Don't forget what you have to say.
Turn around, Connor. Let me see you. All right. Okay, don't leave yet.
You gotta wait for the door, hon.
There. See, she's going to answer the door. You can say trick or treat.
Oh, here she comes.
There you go. Get up to the door.
Get up to the door.
Get up there.
No, Hannah. Sorry. That's why we opened the top, so Bo doesn't.
It's okay.
Come on.
Hi.
Come on.
What do you say, Connor?
Hi, honey. Come on, Bo.
What do you say, Connor?
I'm sorry, he won't hurt. Bo, come on.
Say thank you.
Bye, honey. Bye, Connor.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
That one was scary.
See, I told you not scary. That one was fun.
Yeah. Am I? My person?
Sure.
But that was not a scary tree. It's that old tree.
That's not a scary tree.
That one wasn't too scary, huh?
Why not? It's definitely gonna be scary.
Oh, it won't be scary.
Maybe.
See?
Free-for-all grass.
Look at that in the window. That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow, that's neat. What is it?
Oh, the lights are off.
All right, go ahead and knock on the door. Can you knock?
Am I going out and go? Yep. Why
Well, hold on a
Wait,
minute.
Connie, you gotta wait for people.
Hey, all right, just do one of those out. See?
Hey, go say trick or treat.
Come on, say trick or treat.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Do you want to pick or do you want me to? You can pick whatever you want. We can have another one too if you want. Okay.
What do you say, Connor?
You're welcome.
What do you say?
She is here.
Okay.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
What'd you get?
I love your decorations.
Oh, thanks.
Love that thing in the window. That's neat. Very cool. Bye-bye.
What's his name?
I don't know his name.
He looks like a vampire.